Next we're going to air test all these clutches we put together in here, and you'll get to see a little bit of this drum in action and how neat it actually is. This is a transmission pump right here. We haven't done anything to it yet, but we're going to use it in order to do an air test on this input drum. We're going to take the input drum as a whole with its thrust needle bearing. I'm going to set it down on its seals. We're going to make sure we did a good job on resealing our components here. There's a few apply passages here. I'm going to stick some air in them and show you what happens. I'm using an air gun with a rubber tip I cut from a hose so I can fit in the hole better. It makes a good seal so we don't think that we got a leak somewhere. We're going to stick it in this hole, see what happens. Notice that movement? There's the OD clutches applying. We'll try another hole. See that movement? That drum does multiple things. Now this hole, you may not see a lot of movement other than the drum trying to lift off the pump, but it does apply the OD clutch in there. You can hear the slight thud before it knocks it off. That tells us that we did a good job in resealing. I'll show you again. Next we're simply just going to remove our overhauled input drum off of the pump and the rings, and we'll set it aside. This part is done.